This model kit review is Mirage 3R, and this is by Canopy. It's a 1/48 scale model, and shows you the finished model here. And don't see any other additional details. So let's have a look inside and see what we have. This one's already been started, as you can see. There are some gaps here between these parts, but this is a very nicely molded model, all recessed panel and rivet lines. Same on the top here. Let's have a look at over here. We have our cockpit. Looks like some weights have been added here. Cockpit really doesn't have a lot of detail in there. Nothing on the side. Here's our fuselage side. Lots and lots of surface detail. Very nicely molded. The same on the other side, it looks like. Our air duct entry has already been added on here. But a very nicely molded model. Here's our canopy glass. I always usually leave it in the plastic so I don't accidentally spray paint it. But nicely molded. And over here we have our two fuel tanks. It's going to need some sanding. Both of those. And we have our wheels with some nice detail there. Let's have a look at those. Nice details. The remaining pieces on here. Looks like our wheel well covers and the pylons. These need to go on the side of the fuel tanks. It's part of the cockpits. And then the bottom dorsal fin. Over here we have our landing gear and exhausts. Additional body panels. Here's our nose gear. Looks like it's molded as one piece. And our pilot, who is very tall and skinny. Need some additional paint touch-ups. Here are our decals. Nicely printed, not too many details there. And let's have a look at our instructions here. So there's the colors needed in the paint guide as well as the decals. And the instructions. Assembly of the cockpit, nose wheel, and air ducts. Putting those together inside the fuselage, exhaust, then our fuel tanks, wings going on, and then putting it all together. Looks like a fairly simple model with some very nice details on the outside, maybe not too much on the inside.